We did mail you the 2 notifications. We never got a response back. Excuse me. So, Scott, I'm giving you this call right now. Okay, before I lose my throat. I'm giving you a call right now because I don't want to close the system out before you make your decision. I have a few questions to make sure the vehicle still qualifies for the coverage. Are you with me?
Man, I'm with you. I'm with you.
Okay, thank God. I don't know, something went down my throat the wrong way. I'm so sorry. How many miles are on the odometer?
Did you just say something went down your throat the wrong way? Might I add real quick, that's what she said?
No. Meaning I drank something and I couldn't swallow. It didn't go down properly, so I lost my throat for a second. I'm back now. How many miles are on the odometer?
I don't know. 170,000.
170,000, okay, that's good. Do you have your phone?
Are you still there? Did you mute me to cough?
No, yes, I did. I didn't want to cough in your ear.
If you have COVID, I think you have to let me know. I think you can get it through the phone.
No, don't be silly. Because COVID is very, very serious. So don't be silly about COVID. And no, I do not. I get tested regularly. I work, so I have to be tested.
Oh, you're gonna hate me. I've never been tested, and I've never worn a mask the whole time, and I go out every day, running around.
Good for you.
Running around town.
Well, good. Running around in that Ford Mustang.
Yeah.
What year is that vehicle?
2010.
That's a sweet ride. Very nice. Well, this is about the extended warranty on the vehicle, the coverage.
Uh-huh.
So I'm asking you these questions to see if it still qualifies for the coverage. You're a very risk man, so I don't want you to take a risk on that 2010 Ford Mustang.
Well, here's the problem with the Ford though. It's not worth. It's worth like $2,400, so I don't know about getting a warranty
Your
on
Ford
it.
is only worth $2,400?
I'm pretty sure.
All right, dear. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and disposition the right way. You have a great afternoon. Sorry for coughing in your ear.
It's all right.
Stay safe.
Thank you.
Stay safe.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.